Okay, so Desmos matrix calculator. So I can click that. So matrix calculator. All right, so we are using new matrix. Maybe we can using row 3 rows and 3 columns like that, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Okay, what if we add 0, 0, 0, homogeneous equation, right? Same thing, we don't have to. But if you want, you can add another column, 0, 0, 0, but 0, 0, 0, it's okay. We don't have to type, all right? Okay, now enter. Then we want to know about the reduced row echelon form right there. A, da-da-da. Yeah, okay. How about we want to know about inverse? Enter inverse A of that. Oh, this one does not give it to the inverse. Why? Because inverse must be square matrix, right? So they think that is not square matrix. How about copy? Can I make a copy? Oh, I cannot make a copy. So make a new matrix 2 by 2. Yeah. All right. So
can't you just remove the zeros from A?
Oh yeah, right. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. All right. Okay, so then inverse of B of inverse. So if we can make a fraction form like that, okay, transpose B is a transpose. Yeah, we have that. And determinant, we can have a determinant of B. And B squared, we can have that. And trace means we add diagonally. So that's the B. And let's try trace of A. Oh, probably it's not the square matrix. So yeah, maybe we can use add yeah. So
wait, what's trace again? What is that?
Trace means we add the number diagonally. That's the trace. But we never learned that, right? So you don't have to, yeah, you don't have to. So that is the one. I cannot make. Yeah, so we add 1 and 4 is a 5. We add 1, 5, 9, so there's a 14, 15, right? So we have that here. Okay, this is how to use Desmos. So you can use it during final exam.